It's so hot. Hey guys, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you our ultra silent rechargeable fan. Okay, so it comes in this really nice box. And then when you open it up, you will see a few things, including the fan, a USB cable so you can charge your fan, and an instruction manual. Okay, so jumping into the fan. It is so cool because it is portable and you can actually remove the strap by just slipping it off over here. So you can either hang it, carry it around. It has a 2000 milliamp battery, so you can actually take this along when going on road trips, when you're at the beach, or anywhere without electricity. Turning it around, it has a 3-speed setting over here, which you can change from low, medium, and high depending on the kind of wind that you would like. It also has an LED indicator to show you which speed you have selected. It is so nice, so lightweight, and it is ultra silent, so it won't bother you like normal fans do. It is equipped with non-slip feet, so it won't go sliding anywhere unless you drag it. Perfect for flat surfaces to keep it steady. It's really great for those super hot summer days, and then you can actually see this is low, medium, high. So ultra silent, perfect to use in the kitchen, at home, at school, at work, wherever you go, in the car. If you don't feel like using your fuel for the aircon, this is your baby. It is available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.